Hey, Doc Mountain here, and I bring you the good tidings about the app that you can install on your phone, and you keep it running, and then by the end of the day, you walk away with bucks. So, what's the name of this app? So, the app is Honeygain. So, if you are interested in knowing what it looks like, it's actually in the last but one row. The last row, which is at the bottom now, the second one, then starting from the left, then the second icon, that is actually a Honeygain. How does it work? How it works is like this. You simply have to install it. First of all, you make use of the link that I will leave in the in the description section. You simply copy it and paste it in any browser. When you create an account, you don't need my hand to guide you through, because you'll be walked through by the system itself. You click here, next, you'll be told to punch in your name, your password, all those. So that's why I haven't done a video on how to create an account, because you'll be walked through. So now, so far so good. This is how much I've gathered. I just installed this app some few days ago. But for you, what will happen is you'll be given 5,000 points. So 5,000 points equates to, I think that's $5. So the threshold is $20. When you hit $20, then you'll be able to withdraw via PayPal. Okay, so now what is it that you have to do for you to gain any money? It's pretty simple. You just have to install this one, and to be running in the background of your PC. You can install it now on as many devices as you can, and you sign in with the same account details. By running it on so many devices, you increase the chances of garnering 20,000 points within a shortest period of time. So the more you use data, the more points you get. So you don't need to be doing anything, but you just have to keep the app running on your devices. As simple as that. Well, go ahead and have this app installed on your devices by using the link in the description section. You can share it with your friends, and the more people you happen to invite, the more chances of you garnering as many points as you can. Well, thank you so much for watching.